What's good in the hood, y'all? It's your homie back again with another video. My hair is getting long. I used to have longer hair than this, but yeah. In today's video, I have a little haul that I'm gonna be showing you guys. I went to the store, I went to the Dollar Tree, I went to Target trying to pick up some stuff for my first aid kit slash survival kit and some stuff for the home, you know what I mean? Let me tell you, it was hard to look for some stuff because everything is gone due to all these people panicking still, buying all this stuff. Water is fine now. They're just going for all this cleaning supplies and it's really hard to look for cleaning supplies. So I went there to look for, you know, vitamins, pain relievers, all the stuff to better yourself as well. But anyways, enough of me talking. Let's get into the video right now. What the freak is wrong with me? I'm sorry. Alright guys, so I went to the grocery store, pick up some stuff so I could update my survival slash first aid kit. So let's see what I got. This is the receipt right here. I spent a lot of money. I'm not going to show you guys just in case it has some information that I don't want out there. I got a roll of paper because they ran out of like all the other papers, so this is always good to have. That's probably for the house. All right, next up I got this arthritis and muscle pain relief cream right here, just in case somebody is injured, somebody's hurting or something like that, and they need something to relieve the pain. There you go, this is it. Also, I got this congestion and pain pills right here. I get this a lot, so yeah, hopefully this will be good. I mean, it's gonna be good, it's fine insured, but if you're still skeptical about it, you know what I'm saying, look to see where it was made from. I learned this off of another video from a lady that was a nurse or something like that, so she said it's actually pretty good to have. It's made by Johnson & Johnson, so you already know that's good. Always check the expiration date to make sure it is good to go. Enough about that. Let's go to the next pain relief. This is for well, this is not pain relief, but relief pills. Let's just call it that. This one is for allergies. I get allergies a lot from freaking dust and all that. It sucks. So yeah, you get 14 tablets. This one you get 12. They're $1 each. What is? Next up, you got aspirin right here. They got the other aspirins that are like 300 some milligrams. I got the 81 milligrams. This is also good to have just in case if somebody got a heart attack or something like that. You can give them 1 or 2 of this and it should thin their blood a little bit. That's what I've learned from one of my buddies that we're taking EMT class, so that's what he said. Also, I got ibuprofen. Ibuprofen is also good to have. Who wouldn't want to use ibuprofen? This one got 40 capsules inside. The other one has 60. Sorry, I forgot to say that. Then I got some cough drops. This one is probably gonna be for me to use at home, so I'm gonna show you guys that. Next up, I got these right here. These are the triple antibiotics. This is actually really good to have. I tried this once already, these ointments. I had something wrong with me. I think it was my lip or my eye, and I used this. It actually really helps. It works, you know what I mean? Like it worked fast, so I really like that. I went and picked up 2 of these, so that's always good to have. This is like Neosporin basically, but $1, so yeah, really good. I also went to go get some more super glue because, you know, you're gonna need that. Next up, you got this eczema cream. I have eczema. My girlfriend has eczema. Mostly everybody has eczema. So first aid kit right here. Cool. Next, I also got lotion. This one is actually a really good lotion. It's an ultra healing. So if you have dry hands or sensitive hands, this one's good. Next up, I got laxatives. Yes, laxatives. Just in case you need to go boo-boo, you need to go number 2, you need to take a deuce with it. There you go. Don't be putting in people's drinks without letting them know neither. Nasty. Next, I got more of these waterproof tape, just in case. Self-explanatory, but if you guys don't know, just in case somebody, you know, injured themselves, like their ankles or whatever, or their wrists, you can wrap that up. You can wrap them up. Next, I got this Hydrocortisone Cream. I know I might be pronouncing this wrong, but you guys know what it is. They say that's also really good, also for like itches, rash. Use this just in case you're out in the woods and you get bit by a bug or something. This is what it is. Hydrocortisone cortisone. And then I got some, you know, wipes, some tissues, just in case you need to blow your nose or wipe something down. Self-explanatory. Some Kleenex. Then I got another one of this thing right here, 3-in-1 cotton set. So you got the cotton balls, the little cotton wipes, whatever, and cotton swabs. So that's pretty good to have too. Other than that, that is it. That's all I got at the Dollar Tree. This is for household stuff, so put that to the side. Oh, I got some more. Next, I got these galls, these rolled, whatever. You know what it is. You know what it is. You know what it's for. Next, I got these. They're basically like Tums, so these are really good. I use these myself. Antacid or antacid. I don't know. sorry. Alright, next up I got these dental flosses. I got 4 of these actually because my girlfriend likes to use this a lot over the little stick ones. But I got 2 in this and I got 2 in this. And also I'm gonna use these for my... Ow, hang on, I was in a bad angle. Ow, my legs. Alright, back to what I was saying. The reason why I got these are because they're also good for if you need to sew something up, like a wound or whatever. These are actually pretty good to do that with. So that's why I also got these. And I'm gonna put them into my first aid kit. So yeah. And also to floss your teeth. Next, I got more of these because I really like using these. I got 2 packs of these. My mom liked using these as well, so I got her one. So yeah. Next, I got this. I don't know why I'm showing you guys this. This is not for a first aid kit. This is actually for my sword kit, sword cleaning kit. Sharpen my swords and knives. Next, I got this thing right here, the Clamine lotions. Yeah, this thing right here, just in case, you know, you got, oh, it says right here, poison ivy, oak, whatever you touch, dry lotion, so you can use that. Tropical type of stuff, you know what I mean? So that's pretty good. I heard it's really good to have too, so that's why I picked one up. And last but not least for the Dollar Tree is Nasal Relief to clean out your nose and stuff like that. With me having freaking allergic to dust and stuff like that, and I sneeze off of that crap, so yeah, self-explanatory. Oh, and when I got at Target, this little Vaseline right here, you can actually use these on dry lips. That's what I be doing. And also you can use this for wounds, like clean it up before you put a band-aid over it. Next up, I got these right here. Fantastic to use, these little scrubs right here, those little eyelid scrubs. So if your eyes are irritated or you have those one assist, like those bumps on your eyes, you use this, and man, this is my go-to. This is what saves my life, and I freaking like this a lot. They're expensive, but hey, you gotta do what you gotta do, right? Alright, all paper. Next, I bought these clip bars, which are also expensive. Yeah, just in case you need a snack or whatever, you have these. These are for emergency. You can also eat it for a little snack also, but yeah, it's self-explanatory. I don't know how many times I'm gonna say that. And check what I found. Waha, I got some wipes, some wet wipes. They limit 1 per person because of due to high demands, and people keep buying all for themselves because they're selfish and not leave any for anybody else. So they minimize it to 1. I was just gonna buy 2. 1 is fine also. Yeah, other than that, I just bought Febreze. It's for home stuff, spray your clothes if you can't go do laundry, if the laundromats are closed down. You can use this for anything. But other than that, that is my haul for my first aid kit slash a little bit of home stuff. Yeah, if you guys like this video, please give a giant thumbs up. Subscribe for more, please, for more content. Happy quarantine day, happy stay in place day. Keep safe, keep healthy, and I'll see you guys. So that's not even my outro. My outro is be safe, keep it breezy, and now see y'all in the future. Doses. Wet wipes. Oh yeah, and this is my other first aid kit that I leave at the house. Also DIY. I got this box right here from the flea market. I bought 2 of these for like $5. Gave one to my dad and one for me to use. Anyways, this is just a quick little thing right here. I got a box of gloves. I got this cotton round thingy things. 1 pack of this wet wipes. You got this hydrogen peroxide right here. You got this thing right here, this little wrap. I got some candles. More wipes right here. And a face mask. Boom. Which I already opened. But yeah, I'm gonna update this as well. Just wanted to let you guys know that too. All right, cool.